This is my pull apart sweet potato with diced lamb leg and green olive tapenade. So cut your lamb steak into 1 centimetre cubes and make sure they're all the same size. This will mean that they all cook evenly and consistently. You know, it's a lamb leg, you don't have to roast it and you don't need to cook them like steaks at all, and this recipe showcases that. So we've got ourselves our beautiful sweet potato that's come out of the oven. To this, our beautiful juicy lamb. And I've just got a few fennel fronds here from the fennel that we chopped, and I like them. I think they add a nice bit of colour, and I mean, they're tasty too. If you want a meal that gets everyone around the table, this is the one.